Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to create custom cursor like this, like this or like this, like this or like this. Wow, so scary. Like this, so scary. Or like this, or like this, or like this, or like this. Okay, let's get started. For first time, you must install plugin Essential Add-on plugin for Elementor. Type Essential Add-on, install and activate it. This one, and then go to Essential Add-ons icon, click, go to extension, scroll down, enable custom cursor. Okay, I have page like this, and you can create it yourself in your website. And click order container, go to advanced, and then custom cursor, enable custom cursor like this, like this. And then you can change icon library as well, maybe pen like this, pen like this, but I prefer paper like this, like this. And then scroll down, you can enable trail like this, like this, or you can select trail particles like this, or phantom smoke like this. Wow, so scary. Or spirit echo like this. Oh, so scary. Glow blocks. Whoa, so scary. Chroma orbs like this. Frost sparkle like this. Dot comet like this. Okay, you can publish and preview change like this. So easy, right? Okay, this feature is only for pro version. The link in the description below, you can check. Okay, if you like this video, please support me by subscribing to this channel so I can create more videos like this. Thank you.